Hello YouTube. So I'm making a video that shows the three-point turn from outside of the car. You know, you start generally on the extreme right side, and then you will turn the wheel all the way to the left, and then you will go forward until you're almost to the parking space over there without actually going into the parking space. You go all the way over to the edge of the line, and then you would stop there. Then you would put it in reverse and turn all the way to the right, all the way right until the wheel stops, and then you're gonna reverse all the way back until you're almost on the line here, all the way back. Keep going all the way back, and that looks good enough. Put it back in drive, signal left, and turn all the way left. And then you straighten up on the right side, and that is basically the three-point turn. So you turn all the way left, you go as close to the right side as possible, turn all the way to the left, signal left, and then when you get to the edge of the space, you put it in reverse, turn all the way to the right, reverse to the edge of the space again, put it back in drive, turn all the way left and go to the edge of the space, and that is the three-point turn. All right, so please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and again, I'm going to thank you guys for the support. Thank you.